hopes that drowned in the river. In the beautiful mountains of Sawat, a river flows peacefully, a place where families go to find calm, where children laugh and memories are made. But sometimes, that peaceful river carries away not just water, but entire lives. It was a day in June 2025. A single family of 17 members, including mothers, fathers, daughters, sons, and grandparents, came to enjoy a picnic. There was laughter, food being served, selfies being taken, and kids splashing their feet in the shallow water. Joy flowed like the river. But no one knew that just moments later, that same river would turn into a grave. Suddenly, the sky turned dark, the wind grew cold, and the river began to rise. At first, no one panicked. Children clung to their mothers, asking, "Ami, nothing will happen to us, right?" They believed that their mother would protect them. The father looked to the sky, hoping help would come. But no help came. The water roared louder. The family moved to higher ground, a small rock in the middle of the rising flood. They stood together, soaked, shivering. 1 hour passed, then 2, then more. Still no rescue. Then the moment came. One by one, the water snatched them away. A child's hand slipped from his mother's fingers. A mother screamed as her baby disappeared into the current. A father jumped to save his daughter, but he too was lost. 17 lives, gone. No helicopter, no rescue, only silence. But this wasn't the first time. In 2022, during Imran Khan's government, a similar tragedy happened. Another family, 5 members, drowned in the same river. They waited 6 hours for help. No one came. The prime minister back then rode helicopters. And today, in 2025, Shahbaz Sharif rides the same skies. Helicopters reach cricket stadiums to dry a pitch, but they do not come to save a drowning mother, not for the poor. And we, the people, who pay taxes from matchsticks to coffins, who fund their luxury and protection, when we cry for help, we're left alone. If it were their own children in that river, half of Pakistan would have shut down. The army, the media, and every department would be on its feet. But these were poor people, so no one came. And in the end, all we can do is pray, Ya Allah, guide our rulers, and if they are not worthy of guidance, then make them an example for the world to see, so that no other child, no other mother or father has to drown in silence again.
Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Family Vault, and also press the bell icon. Please like and share as well.